Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to change profile picture on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile at the top. Tap on your profile picture. It will show options like choose from library, import from Facebook, take photo, and remove current picture. For the second option, make sure that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected. If you don't know how to, then make sure to check the video out in our channel. I'm tapping on the first option. It will show all the pictures from your gallery here. Choose the picture that you like. Adjust it as you like, then tap on Done at the top right. And that is how to change your profile picture on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.